Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine not launching. So let's start. And for the first step, go to this upside arrow in the Windows taskbar. Make sure you have Steam not working. So if you find this Steam logo right here, right click, after that select exit Steam. Next step, go to the Windows search bar, search for settings. This window will open, so go to Windows Update in the left menu. After that, make sure to check and download the latest updates. Failed, select retry all and just wait for the updates to finish. Next, search for NVIDIA app. This will open. Go to drivers in the left menu. After that, make sure you install the latest driver available. Select install or download button. After that, select express installation and select continue and wait for the process to finish. For the next step, go open the Steam launcher, go top left corner to the Steam logo. After that, select check for Steam client updates. If you do have the newest version, you wouldn't find the download button next to the close button right here. If you do find it, make sure you download it and Steam will automatically update your version. So once you do that, go to library. After that, go to collections. Now search for Steam Wallpaper Engine. I will use this game as a demonstration for this video. After that, go to this gear icon and select properties. Go to launch options, select -dx11. After that, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files and just wait for the process to finish. This way, it will be recovering any missing or corrupted file safely without the need to installing the game once again from the beginning. And that's it, it finished. Now go to the Steam logo right here, go to settings. After that, in the left menu, go to storage, go to these three dots. Make sure you set the right drive where the Steam Wallpaper Engine is downloaded. Go to these three dots. After that, select repair library. Once you finish that, go to downloads, scroll down. In the clear download cache, select clear cache. After that, select confirm and your issue should be automatically solved. Now for the last step, go to the Windows icon right here and make sure to restart your computer. If you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and see you on the next one.